ከሰው ጋር ጠቃሚ ነገር ለማውራት ስንፈልግ ለአንድ ደቂቃ ማውራት እንችላለን ብለን በትህትና መጠየቅ እንጀምራለን። ይህንን ጥያቄ በእንግሊዝኛ የምንገልጽባቸው 10 ምርጥ አማራጮች እናያለን።
Ways to say, "Can I talk to you for a minute?" in an informal English. Can we chat for a sec? Mind if I bend your ear for a moment? Can I grab you for a quick chat? Do you have a moment to talk? Can we have a quick powwow? Can we catch up briefly? Can I have a word with you? Mind if I pick your brain for a minute? Can we have a quick one-on-one? Can I steal you away for a sec?